In this video of MeasureSquare Mobile for Android phone, we will be going over our view options. Open a project and tap on the More icon at the bottom right of your screen. Here you will find the options to access 3D View, Zoom to Fit, and View option. The 3D View will give you the option to view a 3D model of your takeoff. The Zoom to Fit will zoom in and center your project to fit the entire screen. So if you move too far off center, you can quickly move back to view your entire project again. The View option gives you access to turn on and off the views of various options, products, and images displayed in your diagram, such as grid, scene, and images. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more videos like this, and happy measuring.